YouTube. It's me, the Adventures of Declan.
So what are you doing today?
I'm going to show you how to solve the pyramid puzzle.
Wow.
Kanoodle. If you don't like Kanoodle, you don't have to click on this video.
Alright, so how do you solve the pyramid puzzle?
So let's first take all of this apart. So then you have to close this. You have to flip it over. Then get this book out. Flip it to the first page of the pyramid puzzle. Choose your puzzle.
Can you show the camera?
Go to 5.
Okay.
So, you place this starting piece right here. Then you place that right there. And then you place this piece right here. Then you place this piece right there. You are gonna place this piece right there. Then you have to do a diagonal form. And so the next layer, we have to do this, goes right there, and then you have to put this piece right around here. Then you have to put this blue piece right there. And then you have to put one green piece, but I'm not going to put it in just yet. And so we're on to the next layer. You place the F right there. And then you place the green in. Then you have this piece right here. And then you're going to stick that in there, and you solved it.
Complete pyramid. Good job, Declan. High five. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube. This is the Adventures of Declan signing out. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
Woohoo!